Hey, how's everybody today? Got Kitty here inside her bag. We're outside the vet. She's looking up. I don't know if y'all can see her. She's in her bag, looking at me. Yeah, so we're waiting to go inside because, of course, you know the situation. We can't go inside. So we're just waiting. So, yep. Today's April 2nd. Out here by the highway. This is where the clinic is. So I'll keep y'all up. We'll keep y'all updated on our progress. So please send your love her way. Get well energy. And yeah. Hey kitty. Y'all see her? Hey kitty. She's inside her bag. I'm holding her. Hey, I know you. Like, what's going on? She's just listening to traffic. Say hi, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna catch y'all later. You stay tuned. Okay, we're on our way back home from the animal clinic. Kitty had to get 3 shots. She got 1 for pain, one for antibiotics, and 1 for ear mites. They said she may have been attacked by another cat, which I don't know how, because she's not outside all night, and she's in the backyard mostly, so I don't know if a cat jumped over there and they went at it. She got bit, don't know. But I just know she's been treated, so yeah, we're on our way back home, and I'll let y'all see her when I get there. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, we just got back from the vet, or the animal clinic. Kitty, she got 3 shots, as I said. 1 for pain, some antibiotics, and 1 for ear mites. She had some ear mites. So she did come in and eat some food after I took out of her bag. She walked around more. She was more lively. And right now, I guess the medicine is going to take its effect on her. And since she done ate, she's probably tired now from her ordeal for the past few days. Gave us some Benadryl. We tried to treat her, but she didn't like it. She spit it out and just jetted away from us. So she didn't like it. So yeah, she just came from the animal clinic, and she weighs 8 pounds. So she's doing well right now. So I'm gonna let her get her rest. Thank y'all for sending out your good energy toward her, and I'm gonna catch you after. We'll keep y'all updated rather on her progress. This is VBeautiful. She's under the bed. And catch you next time.